Good morning. My name is Jocey, and welcome to the Relaxation Wake-Up Call. Before you get up and start your day, briefly scan your mind and body for just 3 minutes. Lie down on your back or sit up and settle into a comfortable position. You may close your eyes and have your arms to the side if you wish. Now, gently breathe in through your nose and exhale. In and out. Generate a feeling of joy by slowly wiggling those toes. Then lightly lift up your knees. Alternate them 4 times. Open your hands. Spread your fingers and imagine yourself receiving strength and positive energy. Breathe in once again through your nose and exhale. Release all the tension around your neck. Relax your jaws. Then open your mouth and a yawn may come naturally. Moving on to your eyes and rotate them clockwise. Then reverse to counterclockwise. You are waking up with a fresh mind and bringing good energy today. Rise up, stretch those arms above your head. You are blooming like a flower, and you are ready to begin your day.